Good day, colleagues. You're welcome to another research series. My name remains Professor Adu, a university lecturer in South Africa, University of Fort Hare to be precise. Last episode, I told you concerning the errors researchers are making concerning objectives of the study and some research question. There I said your objective must be able to align with your sub-research questions. They are invariably the same thing except some action verb that you are using, especially the blue taxonomy action verb. So today I would like to take you through another journey of another error. That error is under the scope of the study, the limitation of the study, describing the scope of your study. You agree with me that in describing your scope of the study, you want to narrow down, you want to show your reader the boundaries of your work. You want to show to your reader how to locate the boundary. And when you are writing scope of the study, there are some mistakes researchers are making. Number one, researchers fail to understand that the scope of the study are directly related to their topic, their working title. And in your working title, remember we said you already have the phenomenon, you have the site, you have the participant. So similarly, invariably we are not talking about the fact that your topic, your main research question, your purpose of the study and your scope of the study, they are the same content. If you have a good topic, they are the same content. Remember your topic, you change your topic to a main research question by changing it to a question, and your purpose of the study is from this topic. Similarly, the scope of the study is also from the topic. Researchers fail to explain how their samples are selected when they are writing the scope of the study. So another mistake is that when researchers are writing the scope of the study, they are trying to introduce another variables entirely into the scope of the study. Whereas in any good research, there must be synergy between your scope of the study and the other things I've alluded to. And in every research study, the scope should clearly explain the boundaries of the study. The scope, like I've said, must accommodate the title. The scope, according to some scholars, refer to the boundaries which specify the region under which your study is being is located. And let me quickly give you two schools of thought concerning the scope of the study. There are two schools of thought. Number one school of thought, which I align myself with, is a school of thought that is asking you that when you are writing your scope of the study, you should ask the question of what, where, and who. What, where, and who. What means the problem of the study? Where means the location? Who means the participant? Which is the phenomenon, the location, and the participant, like I've told you. But another school of thought took it further to introduce why, when, and how instead of what, where, and who. They introduce why, when, and how. That is, when you are writing your scope, why do you involve yourself in that study? Then, when do you think the study will lapse? 2 years, 1 year? Then, how do you need to carry the research out? That is the methodology. So they are talking about the why, that is the purpose, when, the time frame, and how, the methodology. These are another school of thought. So when you combine this together, that means that if you are going to write a scope of the study, you must ask yourself fundamental 6 questions. Why, what, where, when, who, and how. So anything outside this is not regarded as the scope of the study. So let me stop here for now. Next week, Tuesday, look at the link, click the link, subscribe, share it, like it, click the bell. Then you'll be receiving my update every Tuesday. For now, stay blessed.